how to begin building your online brand or your personal brand. If you haven't started building your online brand or your personal brand, this video is for you, and you ensure you watch to the end. If you are just seeing this video for the first time, I am Faith Miracle Irabo, and on this channel we talk personal branding, online businesses, money making, entrepreneurship, and wealth creation. And if this is what you love, kindly like, comment, and ensure you subscribe and click on the notification button to get notified whenever I publish new video. Okay, let's get started. If you haven't started building your online brand, ensure you begin with these step-by-step processes. Number one is to know what you want. Know what you want and go for it, because in the online space there are different persons doing different things. Knowing what you want will enable you know what you want. Before you know what you want, you must first identify your values, identify your unique selling proposition, identify your abilities, your talent, your skills. What are the things you hold in high esteem? What are the things you value so much? What are the things that you can't do without? You cannot just do without, and those things are your unique value proposition. Those things are your selling proposition. Those things are your value system. Know it and go for it. Do not just begin creating content around just as others are creating content around. You must know what you want, that this is the line of business I want to go. This is the line of content creation I want to go. Know what you want and then go for it. Number two, after identifying what you intend doing in the online space, because what you intend doing is your value. The number two, you must identify your values with what the market wants. Ensure that you research the market. Ensure that what you want aligns with what the market needs. That is, the market needs these things that align with your values. The market are willing to pay you for these things that align with your value. Know what the market wants. Let what you want be in accordance with what the market wants, because if you are just going for what you want and the market don't want that thing, that service or that product, you won't sell. And that is why you must go for what you want. At the same time, go for what the market wants. Let what you want and what the market wants, let them go together, so you can build your brand around your values, at the same time around what the market wants, so you will sell because you want to sell. Number three is to identify the platforms that you will be using to market your services, that you will be using to market your products or to create your content. We have different social media platforms. We have Instagram, we have the Facebook, we have the Twitter, we have the TikTok, we have LinkedIn. We have so many platforms. You must ensure that you know the platform that your audience are. You know the platform that those who need your services, they are in. You know the platform that also align with your value system. Like Instagram is more of video content. Facebook is also more of video and written content, depending on the one you choose to do. Or you can decide that the platform you are choosing is aligned with both video content and written content. You want to do both. Personally, I do both. I make use of YouTube, I make use of Facebook, I make use of Instagram and LinkedIn, because I am doing all together. You can decide to do same by choosing the platforms that align you create video content and also align you create written content. Knowing the platforms you want to leverage on is very important, and it is important you choose at least 2 to 3 platforms, so that when the money starts coming, you won't just be earning in just one platform. You will be earning across the 3 platforms or the 2 or 4 platforms you are choosing for yourself. Personally, I have up to 4 platforms I use. I use Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Even TikTok, I am also there. Faith Miracle Irabo. You can check me out on all those platforms and ensure you follow me. So those platforms, when they begin monetize, when you are monetized on all those platforms, you will begin to earn. And that is why you must choose the platform that you want to make use of. And those platforms, don't forget, you must choose if it is written content or video content, or you want to do both. It is allowed. Then the number 4 is to optimize the platforms you have chosen for yourself. After you must have chosen the platforms you want to use, you must optimize them. You must make them look attractive, make them welcoming, make them beautiful, because your audience don't want to see a tattered platform or a platform that isn't welcoming or attractive. Let your audience come to your platform and let them see that your platform is interesting, your platform is beautiful, your platform is welcoming. Let them see it optimized by placing in your photo, your cover photo, and your profile photo, which is headshot photo of yourself. Make it professional. Don't forget, it's professional, make it attractive, and make it welcoming. Then on your bio, you write what you do on your bio. What is the services you render? What do you want to help people to solve? You can tell them, you can say that I help you do this and this. I help you look beautiful. I teach you how to write. I give you clarity on how to begin building your personal brand. Tell your audience what you do, because it is the bio your audience will check out before checking the content you have them, so that when your clients, when audiences come and check you out, they will see at the bio the services you render before checking out your content. And the number 5 is to begin creating amazing content, transforming content, mind-blowing content. And don't forget, when you are creating your content, ensure you are creating content that align with your personality, align with the service you render, at the same time align with what the market needs. Create valuable content around your niche and outside your niche. Let all the content you are putting out there on your profile or on your handles be valuable, because it is when you are valuable, clients will come to you. It is when you create valuable content that you will get the amazing audiences that are willing to buy from you. So create content that are valuable, create content that are mind-blowing, create content that are transforming. If you love this video, kindly subscribe, don't forget, and tell me your question. Ask me your questions. What are your aha moments, and what topic do you want me to publish in my next video? Thank you. Bye bye.